Architecture is the monument of human civilization, and protection is the fusion of technology and responsibility. CKS Group is driven by the mission to safeguard wonderful life with lasting buildings, merges its global vision with Chinese craftsmanship, infusing lasting vitality into every structure. Leveraging China's strengths and global resource integration, CKS Group has expanded its business from construction waterproofing to repairs, seismic isolation, photovoltaics, and coatings, among others. It covers over 10 types of building components, including mortar powder, insulation, corrosion protection, flooring, ceiling, pipes, self-cleaning products, and roofing tiles. Globally, CKS Group owns over 40 member companies. Nearly 4,000 employees uphold the core value of work for shared benefits with our partners, having established branches and sales channels in over 20 countries and regions including Cambodia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Europe, the United States, and the Middle East. They provide customers with comprehensive, long-term trusted solutions for building components. Our products and services have been applied in hundreds of world-class buildings and millions of residential buildings, consistently maintaining an industry-leading position for years. The world's largest membrane structure project, National Swimming Center. The world's largest single-terminal airport, Daxing International Airport. The world's deepest underground laboratory, Jinpeng Underground Laboratory. The world's first desert circumference railway, Hotan to Ruoqiang Railway. The longest cross-sea link project in the world, Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau Bridge. By integrating design, manufacturing, and overseas marketing expertise, CKS Group has extended its business from a domestic to a global scale. India International Exhibition Centre, Jakarta, Bandung High Speed Rail, Johor Central Park, Kuala Lumpur Tropical Garden, Colombo Port City in Sri Lanka, and LFP Battery Factory in Vietnam. We empower market expansion with local wisdom and create excellent quality with global resources, opening a new era of efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly construction. For over 20 years, CKS Group has consistently invested heavily in R&D, with annual R&D expenditure accounting for over 4% of sales revenue, holding over 700 patents, and publishing academic research results in international SCI journals for many years. Our products have obtained various certifications, including AEO, SGS, CE, TUV, Cerim, Green Guard Gold, and French A+ certification. We are committed to creating an agile manufacturing system combining large-scale integrated bases with regional satellite factories. Through the application of IoT and industrial big data technology, we have achieved fast conversion and collaborative production across multiple bases, production lines, products, and batches. We have set up over 100 advanced production lines imported from internationally renowned brands such as R&D from the USA, as well as Boto and Nardini from Italy. We have established deep cooperation with several high-quality multinational raw material companies, including BASF, Dow, LyondellBasell, Shell, PetroChina, and Sinopec. We have also established joint ventures with Saint-Gobain and Fosroc, aiming to collaboratively enhance the safety, durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of world-class buildings. We are committed to building a beautiful living environment and take protecting people's beautiful lives as our fundamental pursuit. We actively respond to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, fully promote green operations, build green factories, develop green products, expand green businesses, and contribute to the harmonious development of humans and nature. In recent years, the company has achieved an annual reduction of nearly 10% in both comprehensive energy consumption and hazardous waste generation per 10,000 yuan of output, while maintaining an 80% purification efficiency rate for its environmental protection equipment. The company ranks in the top 10% of A-share listed companies in the Wind ESG rating. Whether for iconic landmarks or intimate living spaces, CKS Group always puts its customers at the center, driving innovation and quality to deliver excellence to the global construction industry. Amid the surging wave of urbanization, the dedicated team at CKS Group is actively harnessing global expertise and professional resources. With technology as our pen and responsibility as our ink, we are writing a new chapter in global architecture. Safeguard wonderful life with lasting buildings.